Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna prepare prawns ghee roast. Prawns lovers will definitely love it. This recipe is inspired by my mother-in-law. Let's get started. We need prawns, fish masala, half tomato, coconut oil, coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chilli, ghee, half onion chopped, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut. In a pan, add fish masala. Check out my description box for the recipe. Add half tomato. Mash the tomato along with the masala. Mash it well. Add curry leaves. Add prawns and marinate them. Salt as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix well. Now on medium flame, place the pan, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just saute it for 2 minutes and transfer it to a bowl. To the same pan, add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Without ghee, this dish is incomplete. Add curry leaves, green chilli, saute it well. Now add chopped onion, saute. Add 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Now add the cooked prawns. On high flame, saute it around 2 to 3 minutes. Add coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Prawns ghee roast is ready to be served. Hope you'll try it. Do give us the feedback, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.